How to install MaX UC, formerly Accession Communicator for desktop. Go to the login link provided. Use your telephone number and password provided by your administrator and log in. Once logged in, go to Downloads, View Apps, and choose the correct version of the application for the device you are installing it on. This step will download the app to your computer, and you will need to run it from your Downloads folder. Once the app has installed on your computer, you will need your telephone number and password to set it up. Use login manually. Choose your service provider, should be ITS Fiber. Enter your telephone number and login password and log in. Once you're logged in, you will be able to change your password from the file options.